Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Keep your kitchen sinks flowing smoothly with the best kitchen drain cleaners. These powerful solutions clear clogs fast, prevent buildup, and maintain a fresh, hygienic drain. Make kitchen cleanup easier and enjoy trouble-free drainage every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ridgid PowerClear Drain Cleaning Machine. The Ridgid PowerClear Drain Cleaning Machine is a compact yet powerful solution for tackling stubborn clogs in tubs, showers, and sinks with 3/4-inch to 1.5-inch drain lines. Its 120 volts motor delivers reliable clearing power, while the included 30-foot heavy-duty inner core cable paired with auto-feed technology allows for hands-free feeding and retrieval, making the cleaning process cleaner and more efficient. The two-piece guide hose keeps the workspace neat, providing a short section for close applications and an extension for hard-to-reach areas. Its compact size ensures easy transportation and storage, while the clear cover lets users monitor cable usage. Perfect for both homeowners and professionals, this machine can handle the toughest blockages without sacrificing safety or convenience. The included operator's manual provides clear instructions, making it easy for users of all experience levels to operate confidently. Whether you're dealing with residential sinks or larger household drains, the Ridgid PowerClear combines durability, power, and ease of use in a single package, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for a dependable and professional-grade drain cleaning solution.
Number 2. VEVOR 120-foot Drain Cleaner Machine. The VEVOR 120-foot drain cleaner machine is designed for those who need a high-capacity, professional-grade solution for stubborn clogs in 1.6 inches to 4-inch pipes. Equipped with two durable steel cables, 120-foot and 23-foot, crafted from heat-treated 65 Mn steel, this machine resists breakage, twisting, and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its 370-watt motor operates at high speed for efficient cleaning, providing sufficient power to clear tough blockages quickly, helping eliminate unpleasant odors and maintain clean drainage systems. Constructed with high-strength, industrial plastic, the VEVOR machine is durable and reliable for both residential and commercial applications. Its design makes navigating complex pipe layouts effortless while maintaining smooth operation. For homeowners, restaurant operators, or property managers, this drain cleaner combines heavy-duty performance, ease of use, and versatility, making it a practical tool for tackling a wide range of drain maintenance tasks efficiently and safely.
Number 3. POPULO Electric Drain Auger. The POPULO electric drain auger is engineered for professional and residential users seeking a reliable solution for 2-inch to 4-inch sewer drains. Its 1/2-inch by 75-foot anti-twist wire core cable is heat-treated for durability, resisting breakage, kinking, tangling, and corrosion, while its larger drum prevents cable snarls during retraction. Designed with portability in mind, its heavy-duty 8-inch wheels allowed movement across stairs and uneven terrain, while its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue. Suitable for sinks, showers, and outdoor drainage pipes, the POPULO electric drain auger combines durability, precision, and convenience. Its professional-grade features ensure effective cleaning, making it an excellent choice for plumbers, service professionals, or homeowners seeking a high-performance drain clearing solution.
Number 4. VEVOR 100-foot Drain Cleaner. The VEVOR 100-foot drain cleaner is a versatile electric auger designed to tackle stubborn blockages in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Equipped with 4 interchangeable cutters, including arrow, spade, C-cutter, and boring bulb, the machine efficiently handles clogs in pipes, floor drains, sinks, and toilets. Its 100-feet steel cord cable is resistant to twisting, breaking, and corrosion, making it ideal for navigating complex curved pipes while preventing entanglement or knotting. A high-quality motor operating at 1800 RPM ensures powerful performance, while a semi-enclosed drum and coated steel frame enhance durability and prevent rust. Additionally, the integrated GFCI provides protection against electrical hazards, making the machine safer to operate. Combining portability, strength, and efficiency, the VEVOR 100-foot drain cleaner is a practical solution for homeowners, restaurants, schools, and property managers who need reliable, long-lasting drain maintenance equipment.
Number 5. VEVOR's 75-foot x 1/2 inch drain cleaner. The VEVOR 75-foot x 1/2 inch drain cleaner is a professional-grade machine designed for 1-inch to 4-inch pipes, offering a robust solution for sinks, toilets, and floor drains. Its 75-foot steel core cable resists rust, corrosion, and tangling, providing the toughness needed to navigate multiple crooked pipes and remove stubborn blockages efficiently. The machine features an air-activated foot control, enabling precise cable operation with minimal effort, while the 250-watt motor, running at 1700 RPM, ensures consistent performance for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it suitable for both residential and commercial use. With ease of operation, portability, and professional-grade performance, this machine empowers users to tackle drain maintenance independently, offering an efficient, cost-effective alternative to calling a plumber for every clog. Whether you're tackling minor clogs or heavy-duty blockages, these top kitchen drain cleaners offer powerful, reliable solutions for any home or commercial setting. From compact portable machines to professional-grade augers with advanced feed systems, each product ensures efficient cleaning, durability, and ease of use. Keep your drains clear, hygienic, and worry-free with these trusted tools.